He's the drummer. He's a co-drummer for the band. Alright, thank you. Now let's welcome Emote plays the last song, Stupid Cupid. Please welcome Hank from Emote, joining Emote.
Put the sharp pointing down.
Stupid Cupid really hit me hard, but the leather couldn't gone real far. Stupid Cupid when you call stars, stars, you broke my heart. Stupid Cupid, why you do me like that? Why you someone I can't have? Stupid Cupid when you call stars, stars, you broke my heart. Stupid Cupid, stupid Cupid, oh, stupid Cupid, you broke my heart. Stupid Cupid, why you do it like that? Why you someone I can't have? Stupid Cupid, when you call stars, stars, you broke my heart. Stupid Cupid really hit me hard, with the leather couldn't gone real far. Stupid Cupid, when you call stars, stars, you broke my heart. Stupid Cupid, stupid Cupid, oh, stupid Cupid, you broke my heart.
Thank you, Emote. All right, once again, Al Bryce, Hank, Liam, Rain, and Alton. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Yes, all the performers, please come back up. All the performers, please come up. Hey, everybody, please line up here. Come up. One, two, three, take a bow. Woo! These kids they're only from ages of as young as, how old are you, Zachary? 8. And I think Maya's even younger, but I think Maya is gone already. But all the way from 7, 8 years old to 14, 15. Most of them are only about 9 and 10 years old. So as you can see, they have learned a lot and accomplished a lot. So thank you so much. Keep on going. I want to see great things from them in the future. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, audience. Thank you for your time. Hopefully we'll see you soon.